welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. I am, because we're going to look at Pink Gellac's new collection.
So right over here we have the new collection called Tropical Island. And look how clever. They now have the name of the collection on their bottles. So the first color we have is Hawaii Orange. It is this gorgeous coral color of which we can never have too many. And as you can see, this color is a one coater. How amazing! As always, these are gel polishes, so don't forget to cure each and every layer in your lamp, and you'll need to finish with a gel top coat, such as Pink Gellac's Ultra Shine. Next up, we have Cocktail Pink, which I would qualify as the perfect Barbie pink. This one needs 2 coats, but it is super creamy and beautiful. Then we have Mermaid Pink. It is a beautiful, beautiful pink glitter with golden sparkles to it. You can easily use this color combined with others or on its own. The next color is Sorbet Pink, which is, I would say, sort of a raspberry pink, much darker than the first one. Oh, and by the way, I know I say it all the time, but Pink Gellac's brushes are so amazing. I really love the rounded tip of it. Then we have Midnight Purple, a gorgeous, almost color-shifting purple glitter. To continue with Hot Plum, which is sort of a pinky fuchsia, a little bit darker than Cocktail Pink. Then to finish, we have Orchid Purple, which I have to say the camera does not do justice to this color at all. I would describe it as a neon deep purple. It is absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for Pink Gellac's new Tropical Island collection. I do think this collection has a lot of pinks, but can we ever have too many pinks? I don't think so, right? Anyways, all the colors are beautiful. As always, the formula is amazing, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!